right, hello to you. Look how pretty. Reflections of the clouds off the lake. How pretty is that? Well, hello to you from Spooner Lake. Nice little adventure here. Maybe hike around the lake, a couple miles around you can do. All the snow is gone. Spring is in the air. And summer is around the corner, I tell you. Be advised though, I was going to mountain bike from here, Spooner Lake, to Marlette Lake, but it's closed. They're doing some construction up there in Marlette Lake Dam. Just saw a sign they're draining Marlette Lake, believe it or not. That's going to be closed for some time, I guess. So be advised on that if you're planning on coming up here like I did to do some mountain biking or hiking to Marlette Lake. That's always a good hike. It is closed for now, but you can still hike around Spooner here. A lot of people out here doing some hiking and fishing too. Look at that. There go some hikers. Yeah, it's still a great day or weekend to get out here. It's gonna be a little stormy on Saturday through Sunday. Look at those clouds just reflecting off the lake. How pretty is that? Gorgeous views. There goes a nice family with kids out on the trail. Yeah, get your kids out here, I tell you. Good way to see Mother Nature, get outdoors, get some exercise, get away from the computers and video games, right? And off the phone. Anyway, update from Spooner Lake. Oh, this guy's got a fish. Let's see if he caught one. He did, he's got a fish. Fish on. Wow, check it out. Ooh, how about that? Nice. Sure what they catch here? Lake trout, perhaps? Oh, nice. Woo, good job. Nice catch and release. That's great. Nice. All right. It looks like the fishing is good here for sure. All right. There's still some sunscreen on here. Anyway, update from Spooner Lake. Hope you're doing well out here, out there, and we'll see you out here. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and appreciate you all. See you out here. Look at that. So pretty.